Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Today I've got a great video because it's a personal video, meaning I use this all the time. A lot of the videos I create are based on either requests on my YouTube channel or through my website. Other videos I make are new technology coming out with either Microsoft, here are new features, but this is something I use all the time in Excel. And I think it's one of the best features they've ever come up with in the last 10 years. It is known as Flash Fill. So, as an example, in column B, I have first name and last name. So before I do Flash Fill, I'm going to show you one other way to convert this. I can't sort by anyone's last name because the way the data is put in with first name, last name. So I could insert a column, then highlight this data, go to the Data tab at the top and do Text to Columns. If you notice, between the first name and the last name is a space. So I'm on step 1 to 3, next, I check space. By default, space is not checked. There's a preview down below. When I check space, I can click Finish. I'm good. So now I've got first name and last name. I'm going to undo. So that was text to columns, but Flash Fill will take care of that. I want to break out the first names and the last names. You don't have to type in the header row. I did it just because that's what I usually do. So D1 and E1 could have been left blank, but the first name is Chris, the next name is Art. I'm in cell D4. Flash Fill knows that I typed in Chris and knows that I typed in Art. So if I do Control E, it puts in the remainder of the first names. There's Brandy, Brian, everything's working. So now, same thing with last name, Menard, Vandelay. And in case you're wondering, I use Control E, but if you're a mouse person, let me show you where this is at. I'm going to go to the Data tab, the Data Tools group, Flash Fill. It even has the keyboard shortcut. Flash Fill came out with Excel 2013, so if you're on a prior version, it will not work. That is correct. That was example 1. Example 2 of Flash Fill. If you notice, I have social security numbers in column C. I need the last 4 digits. I'm actually going to do this, and Flash Fill will work correctly, but I'm going to make a mistake because I know somebody's going to ask me this question. 6576 4378. It's just looking for a pattern. That's why I usually do at least 2. Control E. It looks correct, but if you notice, row 10 has 0712, but Flash Fill put in 712. So that's technically it's correct because I'm going to undo. I know that that needs to be text. So on the Home tab, I would highlight this range before I do it. Since I know it needs to be text, it may convert it to numbers. You don't have to do this if you're initially doing it, but I just need to do a clear all. So I've got it highlighted. So this is where you would start. You say, I know those last 4 digits are text. I want to pick up the leading zeros, so just go make it text. Now when we Flash Fill, notice the green triangle saying this looks like a number, but it's text. Control E, I could go to Data, Flash Fill. But look at row 10, I've got the 0712. I'm perfect on this one. Third example of Flash Fill. I have names in column B, and I don't care about first name or last name, but I want to join the name, the full name, with the region. And to prove that you don't have to do the header row, even though you should, I'm going to go to F2. Notice I put a dash in there. There is no dash. So I've done two. I did the name and I did the region. I'm going to go with the mouse this time. Data, Data Tools, Flash Fill. That looks Jamie Morrison, East, Sandy, East, Michael West. I'm sorry, Michael North. That looks correct to me. So Flash Fill, you can add stuff to it. So in this example, another flash fill, I've got the names broken out between first name and the last name, but I want to join them together because I haven't done this one yet. Here we go. Chris Menard, Art, Vandalay, Control E, done. There are all the names combined together. In case you need it, because I'm wrapping up this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But in case you need it, if you ever get in the situation where it's Mr., Dr., Miss, whatever's coming before the name, even whatever's coming after the name, I have a video on how I did that with Flash Fill. I don't want to do it in this video because that video is about 10 minutes long. Thank you for your time. Have a great weekend.